Okay, this video is about talking about subjects. We talk about subject when we have an equation or formula. So I begin with a formula. Now, if you still remember, the area of a rectangle, for example, will be the width times the length. Okay, so sometimes we will use the symbol, that means we use a letter. So in this term, now you should know that the area will be the product of width and length, okay, accordingly. So when you see only one variable on the left hand side, this one we will call it the subject, and everything else put it on the right hand side. Okay, so this is a formula, and this is what we call a subject. Okay, and you're going to learn how to change subject. Okay, so let's look at some example together. The first one will be this one. Okay, I guess you do it many times before. Now I would like to change x to become the subject. That means you only have x on the left hand side. So you can do it like this, and as you know, these two, they are identical. Okay, left hand side and right hand side, so reverse the order. And x equals to 4 here. Here you divide it by 4. Okay, so that is the end of this problem. And then the next one will be like this. X, so okay, 8s plus 3 equals to negative 4s minus 7. Okay, so this time you still see that it looks like solving equation, don't you? And I just want to make sure that you know when to put them together. And for this one together, so if s equals to 25 over 12. And sometimes if there are more than one unknown, okay, then you will deal with it. So for example, this time you have v squared equals to u squared plus 2as, and you're going to change s to be the subject. So put everything other than the item with s like this, and repose or rearrange it in this order, and then divide the item without s to another side, so you have it like this at the end. Okay, and then next one will be this one. Okay, you're going to change x to become the subject. Okay, now you can see that we will expand the bracket first, and then put everything with x on one side and another item on another side. So you have x here and negative 6y minus minus 4. So x equals to negative 2 times 3y plus 2. Okay, and then if sometimes it involves a fraction, so I'm going to tell you some quicker way to deal with it, and this time you are still going to make x to be your subject. So this time you have to have the 2 to another side. You have to remove the unknown in the beginning, okay, in the denominator, that means in the fraction, so that you put the term together, and then minus 5y minus 2y. So you have negative 7y, and on the another side, this is x here, and then 2y minus 1. So you have x equals to negative 7y divided by 2y minus 1, like this. Okay, and then this is a very important or very famous equation. If you're going to change f to be the subject, okay, how do you do it? So basically, add them first, and then if you can see it, basically you will have 1 over f equals 2, okay, v over uv and u over uv. So 1 over f equals to v plus u over vu. And f actually will be the reciprocal, so that is what you have. Okay, so I hope this video helped you a bit for learning this chapter.